Hello everyone, welcome to BizInnovate. I am Neeraj. Our today's topic is about Microsoft Dynamics 365 app for Outlook. So let's start our demo. So we have two users, Neeraj and Steve, in our environment. Name, email address, and both have valid Office 365 E5 license. It means they can send email to each other and outside world very easily. But what happens if these two users are also users of CRM or other Dynamics app? Let's go to Dynamics, Advanced Settings, Security, Users, Neeraj and Steve. So you can see Steve and Neeraj are users in Dynamics and they want to send to email to each other, and they also want to send email to outside world and want to receive email from outside. So what to do? How to set up? Apart from this, Steve and Neeraj use Outlook, and from Outlook itself, they want to communicate to Dynamics. How to do that? So in this demonstration, we're going to learn how to do complete email setup in Dynamics and how to integrate Outlook with Dynamics. So let's move to demo further. The first step is setting of server profile. Go to settings, go to admin, system settings, email. Here we have to choose server profile, Exchange Online. Reason being, we are using Office E5 license. Incoming, outgoing configuration, server side synchronization or email router. Appointment, contact, task, all are the items in the Outlook that we can synchronize with Dynamics. So we have to choose server side synchronization. Okay. Step 2 is test email configuration and enable mailboxes. Mailboxes. NS demo, SS demo, Neeraj and Steve. First step is approve email. Second is test and enable mailbox. Since I have already executed this step, so I can see success over here. Else you will see over here not run, not run. So wait for a few minutes. Once it becomes success, it means all set for step number 3. Step number 3 is providing security role to these users so that they can use the system properly. Manage roles and provide Outlook 365 app for Outlook user. This role to both users Neeraj and Steve. Step 4 is installing app for Outlook users from the side of admin to all the users or the selective users. You can see we have done all these steps. Now we have to choose users Neeraj and Steve for whom we want this app to be installed. Add app to Outlook. Is showing pending. Sometime it can take 10 to 15 minutes to set up for success. So these are the four steps that we have executed under system settings. Now we go to Power Platform environment. So this is the environment of our sales trial. Here under Dynamics 365 apps, we will see we should have Dynamics 365 app for Outlook. You can install from App Source. Now we can see Neeraj added to Outlook. We got notification email because we have done test email configuration and enable mailboxes. Same for Steve. Let's go to Dynamics activity. Email. Just hello. Go to Steve. Yeah. See, email sent by Neeraj to Steve from CRM and received over here. So it means setup for email is well defined for our CRM system. Suppose Steve has got one email from outside, which is not our customer. It's a random email we got from somewhere. So how to track that email in Dynamics? Let me, okay, I got a new email from a unknown customer. Okay. So here in this case, I click over here. I see option here, Dynamics 65. Reason being, we have done complete setup and we have installed Dynamics 65 app for Outlook. Click over here, connecting Dynamics to Outlook. Okay. So this email is now being tracked in Dynamics. But in which context? You can set regarding. You can either connect to account, contact, lead, or opportunity. Let's connect to opportunity. Like maybe OP15. New Dynamics. See, so you can see how easy it is to get an email in Outlook and generate contact and link to opportunity in a very simplified manner. So it is a power of Dynamics 365 app for Outlook. The way we have connected our email to Dynamics, same way we can do for other tasks. We can see over here tracked in Dynamics. So it means it being tracked into Dynamics because we have installed Dynamics 365 app for Outlook and they have done the required configuration. Thank you. To see more demonstrations of this kind, please subscribe. Thank you.